Here is a connection to the drone. As soon as I move it away, connection is slightly losing more and more. Now let's put it away, for example, there. Yeah, that's it, I lost connection. Hello friends, so 3 years ago I bought this drone, DJI Mini 3 Pro, and now, since last year, about 1 year ago, I had this issue. This drone losing its signal from this controller, and I'm not sure what is broken, transmitter in this drone or receiver in this controller. And I don't have another controller to check it. But what I found out, I tried to reset, there was some error, I log out from my account, log in, doesn't work. When I reset everything to base settings, still doesn't work. As long as I move it like 1 meter away, my arm long, I lose signal completely. So I found the solution, hope it will help to someone too. And now let me show you what to do. So if you have the same thing, you see here is a connection to the drone. As soon as I move it away, connection is slightly losing more and more. Now let's put it away, for example, there. Yeah, that's it, I lost connection. Okay, put it back. Closer. Yeah, now I have this connection, so too far, let's do. So go to menu, there are 3 dots, it's usually on safety, go all the way, controls, camera, transmission, and there in transmission it stays on 5.8 Hz, and in this situation I lose my connection, but when I switch to 2.4 Hz, gigahertz, and lock it to manual, so stay there, it stay connected. Yeah, you see, it's my control, there my drone, I put it behind the chair, and still has this 5 bars. Not perfect though, but at least something. So that's it, that's the only solution what I found out in this situation. Yes, I lost a lot in reach, from like 5 kilometers to 500 meters, 10 times shorter, but at least something. Hopefully one day I will find someone with another controller and check, maybe I can just replace controller and everything will be well. Or actually that chip with 5.8 GHz, it's broken my drone, then I will fly like that. I already get used, I don't fly that far. If I want to film some town, city, it's pretty enough. I'm just moving within the city and fly there and move there, fly there. Yeah, that's it.